Hey guys, welcome back to another Aussie restoration video, and today I have this cool box. So here she is, guys. I have found this box on Facebook Marketplace. It has definitely seen better days. Yeah, it's definitely rusty. Big ding there. There's a few holes here and there. Definitely an antique. These tools came with it. I don't know what the hell that is. I think he just bent it. Try and restore a lot of these. That's fully seized. And some more tools. Definitely be going to restoring the spanners, and the bottom of this is just something else. So I'm going to try electrolysis. Hopefully I've said that correctly. We put it in water with bicarb and electricity. So here we go. So I might be doing something wrong, but the electrolysis isn't doing a whole heap for me. Don't worry, power is off. It looks like it's doing something, but I'm gonna try a different method that might work and it won't use up much power or any power at all. It's just this Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel. So once you apply it, leave it on for about 90 minutes, wrap it up in some cling wrap, come back and wash off, and apparently you're left with bare metal. So let's give that a crack. Righto guys, so I've got some car filler to repair some of the damaged corners and to make the surfaces really flat. For example, that, and you know, just some of the imperfections that I couldn't get out with a hammer. First time doing this, let's give it a shot.
So there we have it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I'll give you a quick rundown of what's happened. So it's complete, obviously. You're at the end, so thank you. My partner helped me choose the color of the box. It's a hammer charcoal finish, that's what it's called. I've also wrapper coated the bottom and hand painted the Snap-on logo. Also polished these bolts. I also kept this hinge on here. I could have removed it, but it's original on the box, so I thought I'd keep it with the box, you know, to keep it original looking. I've also added these handles on the side, so yeah, because I removed the top handle, I thought it would look a little more nicer and more modern. With this tray here, I've kept the tools in their rough state, except I've just resurfaced the top of these. Some of them have got engravings on them. For example, this one says boiler room on it. It's got some engravings on it, so, and also some, you know, hammer marks and stuff. So it kind of tells a story of where they've come from. I've put newspaper on the bottom of this tray to keep it old school, how it came with some workshop paper, but all I have is newspaper. Painted this black, and yeah, it fits really well in there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do leave a like, comment, and possibly subscribe if you enjoyed. So till next time, I'll see you in the next video.